Hello there, friends. I hope you're all enjoying your summer. We sure are. And I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on our garden, our patio garden, that is. It's kind of funny to think that I have gone from growing in a homestead to a garden to a patio. But like I always tell people, don't feel sorry for me because I love a good challenge, and this has been a fun challenge. Well, the patio, as we can see, is quite green. It is really bursting with a lot of food out there right now, and oh, this is my favorite time of the year. This summer has been really funny. It's been really up and down, a roller coaster when it comes to the weather. We have gone from super hot days, for weeks, and then suddenly it would drop to get really cool and rainy. But the plant seems to hang in there. I think that the ones that has been most affected by this weather has actually been the tomatoes, because obviously we don't develop tomatoes as quickly as I would like to. But once it gets warm, we definitely do get a lot of tomatoes. So right now we're eating pretty much all our vegetables from the garden. So we're eating lettuce, and we're eating sugar snap peas, we're eating beans, we're eating potatoes, we're eating lots of herbs, lots of lettuce, kale, and carrots. We're also eating a lot of berries. This is going to be a record year of berries, I think. We're eating a lot of currants, black currants, red currants, and even white currants, and they're so delicious. And raspberries, of course. Me and Liam have been harvesting a lot of leaves and herbs and making tea, so that's been really fun. I'm going to do a video about that in the future. So everything that grows in our garden was grown from seeds. I started the seeds in March, in the beginning of March, and they grow indoors with a grow light, and then I moved them out in May, when I knew there was no more chances of frost, obviously. And so we can eat really well. And of course, I'm also going to plant Swiss chard, more kale. I'm growing lettuce. I'm planting lettuce over and over again, because lettuce is something we eat a lot of. And that is like our favorite thing to eat with each meal. I'm also preserving a lot, actually. I'm preserving berries, I'm preserving peas. But I just wanted to show and inspire that you can grow in any size. You don't need to have a big garden or even a small garden. You just need to have a space to grow. And you can really grow a lot in a small space, as you can see.